Hello dear student, we are in class 7 exercise 2.6 question number 3. So in this question you have to do multiplication with the decimal number with 10, 100, 1000 like that. So multiplication is quite easy if your concept is clear. So in the introduction also we have seen how to do the multiplication with decimal number. So here the point is present in the number, so it's a decimal number 1.3. It is written as 13 upon 10. So why we have written upon 10? Because after decimal point one number is there, so it is which is written as 13 upon 10 into 10 as it is. Same numbers are there, directly cut that, answer is 13. So you observe we have solved in few seconds. Now the next number is 36.8, right, without decimal point, and which is divided by 10. Because after point only one number, 10 get cancelled, answer is 368. Now we are going to the third one, right number without decimal point which is divided by 10, and here 10 gets cancelled, so answer is 1537 as it is. So here you write number without decimal point which is divided by which number? 100. Why? Because after point 2 number into 10 as it is. So here now you observe here downside 2 zeros are there, but here 1, so you can cut common 0. So your answer is number as it is you write divided by 10. Okay, so now you write the final answer 0.7. It means after point one number. So in this way you can solve. Write number as it is upon 10 into 100. Common 0 get cancelled. So this number is multiplied with 10. So your answer is, at the last you just write 0. And here decimal point will not be there because that is already removed. Next question. Write number as it is upon 10 into 100. Common 0 get cancelled. So do the multiplication with 10. So write number as it is. At the last write remaining 0. So it's very easy way to solve. Write number as it is upon 100. And here into 100 as it is. Same number, so cancel. Finally we got the number. Then write the number as it is without decimal point upon 100, because after point 2 number into 100, same number get cancelled. So answer is 4307. Next question, 5 upon 10 into 10. 10 gets cancelled, answer is 5. Here 8 upon 100, because after point 2 number, common number get cancelled, so it is 8 upon 10. So our answer is 0.8, means 0.8, because after point one number should be there because we are dividing with 10. Next number, 9 upon 10 into 100. Common 0 gets cancelled, so 9 into 10 it is 90. Here 3 upon 100 into 1000. Common 0 get cancelled, so here 3 into 10, so it is 30. So in this way we solve the question number 3rd. After this we will go to the next question. So our next question is question number 4. A two-wheeler cover a distance of 55.3 km in 1 liter of petrol. So how much distance will it cover in 10 liters of petrol? So here multiplication is there. So very simple concept is there. Such kind of many problems we have seen. So here a two-wheeler cover a distance in 1 liter. So here you can say distance cover in 1 liter of petrol. Distance cover in 1 liter of petrol equals to 55.3 kilometer. So you can say distance cover in 10, they are asking 10 liters. So 10 liters of petrol equals to, how you will solve? In 1 liter of petrol it is given particular distance. So what about the 10? So 10 is more than 1, so multiplication is there. In 1 it is going 55.3 kilometers, so definitely 10 means it will be more, so multiplication is there. So 10 into 55.3. so how you will solve? 10 as it is, 55, then write 3 after decimal point, whatever number is there as it is you write upon 10. Why we have written upon 10? Because after point only one number. 10 gets cancelled, 553 kilometer, so it will cover a distance of 553 kilometer. So at last you can say how much distance will it cover in 10 liter of petrol. So you can write also in 10 liters of petrol it will cover 553 kilometer distance. So after this we will move to the next question. So our next question is question number 5, find. So here in this question you observe both the decimal numbers are there. So in such a case you have to remove decimal point and write number as it is first. After writing, as you know, 25 into 3 is 75. Then you have to think about decimal point. So from right hand side you count. Here 1, 2, then decimal point is there. So here total number after decimal point, you have to check it from right hand side, 1, 2. Then here only 1 is there after point. So total how many number after point? 1, 2 and 3. So here you go 1, 2. Third number after third point you have to give. It means from right hand side as total numbers are 1, 2, 3 after point. So here after point 3 numbers should come. This is the simple concept while solving this question. So our answer is this one. Second one. So you write 1 into 517. So it is 517. After point from right hand side 1, 2 numbers. So it is 5.17. Third one we will solve. It is 2 into 3168 as it is. So we will do the multiplication. So here 2 into 8 is 16, 1 carry. Then here 2 into 6 is 12 plus 1, 13. 2 into 1 is 2 plus 1, 3. To here 2 into 3 is 6. So our answer is here. So where the decimal point is there? After 2 number. Why after 2 number? Because from right hand side 1 and this is second. Then going for the next question, you write without decimal point first. 13 into 31. So here we solve that. 13 as it is. 3 into 3 9. 3 into 1 is 3. So it is 403. So after decimal point 1, 2 number. So it is 4.03. Then the fourth one, write number as it is. So it is very simple, 25. After point 1, 2, 3. So here 0 will come. So answer is 0.025. After this we will move to the next question. So here in this question you write the number again as it is. So you do the multiplication. Here 15 into 2 is 30. 15 into 1 is 15 plus 3 18. 1 carry. 15 into 1 is 15 plus 1 16. So answer is 1680. After that total 3 number. So it is 1.680. Next number. Here next number again you write as it is without decimal point and do the multiplication. 2 into 7 14, 1 carry, here 0, that 1 write as it is. 2 into 1 is 2. So here after point total 4 number. So here you add 0. So 0.0214. This is the number. And for the next one, you write number as it is without decimal point. So here the numbers are bigger, so do the multiplication. 5 into 5 25, 2 carry, 5 into 0 is 0, 2 write as it is, here 0, 5 into 1 is 5. Next one is 0, so 1 2 3 4 write as it is without, means avoiding confusion. Then 2 0 as it is you write, then 1 is there, so write all the number as it is, 5 0 0 1. So here it is 5 2 5 5 0 1. So our answer is 1 0 5 5 2 5. So after point total 4 number 1 2 3 4. So our answer is 10 point here, 5525. So after decimal point we got the 4 number. Next one is 9th one. Write number as it is. So here only 1 is there, so we get the number as it is. After point 4 numbers are there, so here you give the point. Next one, again write number as it is into, remove the point, now you do the multiplication. So here 1 is there, so write all the number as it is. Here give 0 again, write here all number as it is, do the addition, 1 1 0 0 1 1. So our answer is 2 times 1 0 0 1 1. So after decimal point 3 numbers are there, so give the point here. So I hope friend you understood this. This concept is very simple. First you do the multiplication without decimal point, and then you think about the decimal point where it should be present. So thanks for watching this. If you have any doubt, just comment me. Thank you.